My name is Rick Renner. This is August 23rd, and our gem today is called A Promise to Those Who Are Overcoming. And our scripture is Revelation chapter 2:17, where Jesus says, "To him that overcometh, I will give to eat of the hidden manna." I want us to look at that word overcometh. It's the Greek word Nike, which describes a champion or one that is superior. To him that overcomes his circumstances, to him that is superior, above and beyond all of his competition, all of his struggles, to the one that is overcoming, I will give to eat of the hidden manna. But something very important which I want to read to you from Sparkling Gems number 2. When Jesus calls us overcomers in this verse, it's imperative for us to understand, because in Greek it is continuous, it is a relenting goal to maintain victorious all the time. So Jesus wasn't saying, hey, I'm going to give you a special reward if you do something good once, or if you have a victory once. But to those who maintain their stand, who've determined they're going to stand in faith, they're going to conquer and continue conquering and continually conquer, they have a conquering mindset, there are always special rewards. Are you conquering today? Are you continually conquering? If you're an overcomer, Christ offers you special rewards. That's what I want you to think about today.